Hello and welcome back. So today we're doing something pretty interesting. We're installing and testing a local AI with way fewer restrictions than platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. We're going to see what it can do, test different prompts, and explore the kinds of responses and content it can generate that more heavily moderated AIs usually won't. So yeah, let's jump into it. First, search for Gemma 4E4B Uncensored and open the first link that appears. Once you're there, go to the Files and Versions section. You'll see multiple model options with different sizes, so you can choose one depending on your system specs and hardware. For this video, I'm going with the 5th model. Just click on it and hit download. Now the download should start. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just canceling it. Now open the terminal and go to the Downloads folder where the model is saved. I'm moving this installed model to my LLM folder using this command. Next, we need to install Ollama. Search for Ollama install. Open the first link. Copy the install command, paste it into the terminal, and run it. Ollama is a tool that lets you run AI models locally on your own computer. It helps manage models and makes it easy to use them from the terminal or other apps. After installing Ollama, we need to install Hermes. Just search for Hermes install and open the first link in the search results. Copy the installation command, paste it into the terminal, and run it. Now Hermes will start installing. Hermes is a user interface that makes it easier to interact with local AI models. It gives you a cleaner way to manage chats, prompts, and model settings instead of only using the terminal. Here in the configuration setup, I'm keeping everything on default settings. You can change them based on your needs. Now we need to create a model file inside the LLM folder, which contains the model configuration. Just use this configuration, you can copy it from the description. Gemma 4 supports up to 128K context length, while Hermes starts at 64K, so choose a context length somewhere between 64K and 128K depending on your setup. I ran into an error with the model name, so I just added extension and removed latest, and that fixed it. Now our model file is ready. Next, run the command Ollama create set model name -f model file. This will create and register your custom model in Ollama using the configuration we just set up, so you can run it locally with the name you chose. Now run Ollama list to check if the model is registered or not. As you can see, it's successfully registered. Next, run the Ollama launch Hermes command. This will launch Hermes and let you use the models registered in Ollama. Just select your registered model and press enter. You can also link messaging apps here if you want, but I'm skipping that for now. And yeah, now we're inside Hermes. Now let me type hi first to check whether it runs properly or not. It's initializing the agent, so it may take a little time. Running local models can sometimes be slow depending on your system. Okay, it runs perfectly. Now let's ask it to create a simple Hello World program and execute it. This way, we can confirm that Hermes can also run terminal commands properly. Okay, it created the hello Pi file, ran it, and gave the output. We can also minimize the output based on our needs so the model responds faster, but that's a topic for another video. Now we've confirmed that Hermes has terminal access and can run commands. Next, let me test a sensitive prompt to see how the model responds and whether it has restrictions or not. This will help us understand how freely it can generate code and information. Now I asked it to generate a keylogger in Python to test how it responds to sensitive prompts. Also, if you don't have a high-performance GPU, you can set this up on a cloud machine with a powerful GPU using the same installation method. Yes, it responded to the prompt and generated code for a sensitive request, so we can see this setup behaves with fewer restrictions than many mainstream AI platforms. That gives you an idea of how local AI models can respond differently depending on the model and configuration you choose. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want more experiments and AI setup videos like this, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.